She doesn't want anything to do with
He
that.
just bring it to Herster. Then he just brings it at Herster. Then
Jesse did? He never came to Herbster. Did he?
Ooh, but you like his cheese.
yeah, and I tasted it and I loved it.
Ooh.
And it was tasty.
Tasty!
And you eat the cheese with crackers? Oh yeah, cheese and crackers.
You know what? I even like marshmallows and chocolate and graham crackers.
Are those called s'mores?
Yeah, we can make more out of them.
Did your mom and dad bring stuff for s'mores?
And you know what? We went to Anderson's house, and now there's one Anderson.
Oh, now there's just one Anderson?
Yeah, we just went to it when we went to the renting house.
Oh. And did you have s'mores there?
No, we just had some at the Anderson's house.
Oh, that's fun. You didn't have them at Auntie Jan's house?
We just had one. We had this more at the Anderson.
Okay.